Hello students, good morning to you all. Myself Farin Kumar Mishra from St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Siswa Bazar, Maharajganj. Today I am going to teach you literature portion, class 10, Footprint Without Feet, first lesson. That name is Trump of Surgery. Before just to know about this lesson, I want to describe in front of you the introduction to the lesson. Actually, in this lesson, there is a pet animal, dog, that name is Tricky. Tricky is a small dog, is pampered and overfed by its rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, and his mistress consult a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? There is a question mark. Does the doctor recover the dog? There is a question mark. Actually, my dear students, this story is about Tricky, a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating cream, cakes and chocolates. So, one day when Mrs. Pumphrey is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator sees them and stops to talk. While talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she had been overfeeding Tricky and also had been giving him things that he should not eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a bloated sauce, means became ill, seemed to be like very weak. Soon Tricky got unwell and Mrs. Pumphrey has to call Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet, who is a veterinary doctor, is the narrator of this story. For what? For help. She does not want to send him away. The only way suggested by Mr. Harriet is to get him hospitalized for 15 days. Means Mr. Harriet advised Mrs. Pumphrey that your dog Tricky should be hospitalized for 15 days. Otherwise, he will die. Then the story unfolds into how he get well. So, you should understand about it good. Actually, Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a very rich lady, so she has no lack of money, and how Mr. Harriet treat the dog, there is a special method. Actually, Mr. Harriet did not provide any special thing to Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey, first of all, when the doctor advised that Tricky should be hospitalized, Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. Then, as it was the statement of a doctor, so anyhow she agreed. Then the doctor takes the dog along and put a bed for him in his surgery. The dog does not move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and he started playing with the bigger dogs. When he was taken out, he also licked the bowl of the other dogs clean on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. Means what was the condition of Tricky before? There was improvement. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. Then, when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs, as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and he needed energy, foods. Mr. Harriot and his partners, means friends, started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then, for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, brandy, which was again consumed by the doctor and his friend. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then when she started sending in bottle of more and more brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Harriot thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. But Mr. Harriot used to be really happy some days by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon and closing the day by having brandy at night. Then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pumphrey. As many days passed, as soon as Mr. Harriot called Mrs. Pumphrey, as she was really worried, and on this side Tricky was ready to be taken back home. She became very happy. Actually, it was the mentality of the doctor that Tricky should forget, but it didn't happen. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pumphrey said that she won't be able to even thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful and Tricky was now cured. So, my dear student, you have seen that the doctor had not given anything extraordinary to the dog Tricky, but provide him water. It means the Tricky was suffering from fat. His main problem was that he was very, very greedy. He did not refuse to eat. That's all. The lesson is ended, and whereas I think that it would be understood by you. If you have any doubt, you can ask it to me. My channel Fadil Kumar Mishra @gmail.com, and its question answer I will provide in the next video.